Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Suzuki RMZ 450, a bike that's promising to elevate your motocross game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an enthusiastic rider, Suzuki's latest machine brings new features and refinements that you won't want to miss. So let's break down what makes this bike stand out in 2025. Design and aesthetics, fresh look, same legacy. First off, the 2025 RMZ 450 gets a refreshed look. The sharp, aggressive design stays true to Suzuki's iconic yellow and black color scheme, but with some updated graphics and sleeker lines. The new bodywork not only looks fantastic, but it's designed to provide better aerodynamics and enhance rider comfort. Engine and performance, more power and precision. Let's talk power. The 2025 RMZ 450 features a refined engine, with Suzuki tweaking the 449cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine to deliver smoother, more responsive power throughout the entire rev range. They've focused on optimizing throttle response, which makes for a more predictable and stable ride. Whether you're coming out of a corner or hitting a jump, you'll feel more control and less engine hesitation. Chassis and suspension handling like never before. Handling is key in motocross, and Suzuki has made some significant improvements to the chassis and suspension. The 2025 RMZ 450 features a revamped Showa suspension setup that provides better bottoming resistance and more comfort through rough terrain. Plus, the lighter, more rigid frame gives you sharper cornering and better stability at high speeds, perfect for tackling any track. Technology smarter than ever. Suzuki is also introducing some new tech to the RMZ 450. The 2025 model comes equipped with an updated traction control system, designed to give you better grip on challenging surfaces. There's also a new ECU system that allows for easier tuning and better power delivery, giving riders the ability to customize their experience for different track conditions. Comfort and ergonomics, ride longer, ride stronger. Comfort plays a big role, and Suzuki hasn't overlooked it. The 2025 RMZ 450 features a redesigned seat and handlebars, offering better ergonomics for a more comfortable riding position. Whether you're riding for a few hours or pushing yourself to the limit, this bike will keep you feeling fresh. Inclusion: the 2025 Suzuki RMZ 450, a game changer. So, there you have it, the 2025 Suzuki RMZ 450. With a potent engine, improved handling, smarter tech, and better comfort, this bike is all set to raise the bar in motocross. Whether you're hitting the track or tearing up the trails, the RMZ 450 promises to deliver an unforgettable riding experience. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2025 RMZ 450? Would you take it for a spin? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest motorcycles. See you on the track.